Hey everyone, so this is actually big news. This is big 500k pizza party, and let's talk about this. I think it's time I buy another billion to secure it back. Be sure to drop a like, and we're gonna be talking about a lot of updates today. Looks like Domino's can't do it. So what exactly is the CEO talking about? Be sure to watch it till the end to find out. Okay, who's next? Trying to throw a pizza party for 500k people. So the CEO is trying to buy pizza during the Certic Org AMA, and he's trying to buy pizza for 500k people. I don't know how expensive that is, but I mean, that would be at least $250,000. I don't know how he would deliver pizza, but it's very clear that this would cost at least $200,000. So with the Shiba Swap launch, he's trying to basically celebrate this, but Domino's did not agree to making, the collaboration. Right now, they're looking for a lot of brands, and I'm not sure if this is a joke or not, but maybe they're actually throwing a big pizza party. As the CEO has mentioned in his article, I Am Yoshi, he has mentioned we're getting a ShibaCon, which there have been rumors there's going to be, an event, if the circumstances allow it, in Thailand for Shiba Inu. The first event where you meet people, maybe you meet some of the devs that you actually show that the team is real. Now, we don't have much information on that, but if this partnership is confirmed, this would definitely be true. Now, people are pretty excited for this. Ask Domino to accept Shiba Inu for 500k pizzas. And everyone is super excited. And people are saying, Papa John with Shaq, let's get it. I want a Supreme for these Supreme gains. We're about to get our dime in the hands. So while Domino's wouldn't work, actually, Papa's Pizza, Papa John's, that would completely work. And I don't know how you would get your pizza. Would it be delivered to you? Would you maybe in the US, you could maybe, take this free pizza coupon? I think this could work. Maybe the CEO is trying to give you a free pizza slice to 500,000 people, each with its, unique wallet. They can work together. And if this partnership is real, that would be completely amazing. Now, hopefully the CEO is not only joking, because if we get a partnership like that, yes, it would cost a lot of money, but it could be very possible. So even if, they only give you one pizza slice instead the whole pizza for being a Shiba Inu holder, I think this tells you a lot. I think this tells you how much potential Shiba Inu has. So people worldwide, and the Certic Org, we don't know when that is happening yet. It probably already happened by the time the video is out. But if this is true, this is big news. And this could definitely happen. I definitely think big brands can come in, work with the Shiba Army, work with Shiba Inu, especially because we are now seeing big brands into Shiba Inu by itself. So the first one everyone is super hyped about, and this is the next trendy wave, PayPal to accept Shiba Inu coin. And I already talked about PayPal. Now, it's very simple and it's very well known that there's a lot of petitions right now. For example, Amazon as a token payment. You can see, Shiba Inu coin mass burn, stake, or bury, and to list Shiba Inu token from Coinbase. Now, this got actually accepted. Lamborghini to accept Shiba Inu as payment for their cars. So there are some crazy ones out there that could work. There could work. But as we're seeing, eToro confirmed. We're seeing Coinbase confirmed. And we can see here, request PayPal to accept Shiba Inu coin. And at 35,000 signatures, this is becoming the next Robinhood. This is having 27k signatures. And crypto right now, and PayPal is expanding to the US. Right now, I think they're only US and they're expanding to international. So they're first going to UK, then they might, go to the whole Europe. And this is pretty big because PayPal knows the potential of crypto, and we're requesting PayPal to start accepting Shiba Inu coin as a form of payment. This would let anywhere accepting PayPal at a checkout to allow customers to pay with their Shiba Inu coins. At this moment, Shiba Inu coin is affordable for anyone to buy with the increase in value is accepted on multiple platforms. PayPal would be a huge step in this process. I already talked about PayPal. But I think it's pretty important to know that where there is demand, someone will do the supply. So I'm talking about PayPal actually doing this. Obviously, they're still in beta testing stages, only having crypto available in the US. This could be possible. I think they only have Litecoin, Bitcoin, and so on listed right now. So listing more coins is a priority for them. And with Shiba Inu having such a massive community, I think a Domino's partnership is possible. Like, it is crucial crucial. I think a pizza partnership would be simply amazing, and there are so many ways to collaborate. Obviously, this would cost a lot of money. Maybe some funding would need to be gathered, but we can see here that if PayPal listed, that would again increase its volume. I think it's more possible than Robinhood listing it in the future. Now, Robinhood is still taking their time, but we see that this is growing massively. This is more when I released it, but you can see we're going to be reaching 200,000 signatures at some point. It's still getting signed, not as much as before. It's not getting pushed that often, but if we can see here, we will be reaching soon 200,000 signatures, and it's on. It's really like Robinhood definitely knows about Shiba Inu right now, and they might be forced to list Shiba Inu as a utility. People will be massively buying into this one. Right now, the market is down. It's probably going to be for a few months, but I think Robinhood will actually drop when we at least expect it, the least accepted, and I think it could be happening. So we also have this one. This one was actually accepted, and if you don't believe that these petitions do nothing, I have to, break it to you, but the petition may change with 41,000 supporters. So if Robinhood has 160,000, we're going to be seeing a victory at some point. So list Shiba Inu cryptocurrency as a tradable asset on Coinbase, and it did happen. See, it did actually happen. And same thing, Apple accepts Shiba Inu. Now this one is a bit harder, and this would need many more petitions. There's a lot of different ideas on where it should be. Getting partnered with Apple is much harder than getting partnered with, for example, Domino's or Papa John's. And add Shiba Inu to the PayPal cryptocurrency. Again, more 6,000 petitions, and I think there's a big support and big demand right now for such adoption. PayPal let us buy Shib in PayPal. Currently, PayPal gives us the option to buy, sell, and securely hold cryptocurrency in PayPal, and that's only for the top coins out there that each have their own use. As Shiba Inu has more uses, it will have more partnerships. We can keep the movement strong by giving us the option to send more. So Webull could also get partner in the future. This is also only going to be having more and more signatures. So as this video is out, this will only have, maybe it will have 6,000 signatures signed. Maybe it will have 7,000. As long as there is demand, people are going to be signing these petitions because they do actually work. And I mean, if the CEO is looking for a big next partnership, there's a lot of partnerships that we are yet unaware of. Dogecoin has been a huge success for Webull and Robinhood. And while we have maybe Robinhood, we could be having Webull as well. So I love these. I love these partnerships. Now, this one is the only one that I don't think is ever happening because Elon Musk does not want to associate with Shiba Inu. He wants to associate with Dogecoin. And Elon Musk has said that he's going to be starting to accept Dogecoin and cryptocurrency and everything for its Tesla when it at least has 50% green energy. Right now, this is not happening for some time, and I doubt he'll list Shiba Inu unless it has massive demand so far. He'll probably first list Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then Dogecoin, and then maybe at the bottom Shiba Inu. Because Shiba Inu is the only threat to Dogecoin. And I just couldn't see this petition happening. All through it has 4,000 signatures. I see, I see Coinbase happening. I see Robinhood happening. I see every other petition happening. Just there's some petitions that are highly unlikely. Also, Alibaba is probably not ever happening. Yes, we love to talk about the big partnerships that are going to be happening in the future and the big partnerships that are underway. But we got to address this, and Alibaba is heavily associated with China. So Alibaba is basically like, I would say, eBay for China. And China banning crypto will not make this happen. So if Alibaba consider accepting as a means of payment for its product, the payment could be done on spot with little to no fees. In other words, we may not have to use bank cards or payments. So I think this is the biggest possibility so far worldwide. So you might get, sent the pizza on your doorstep. Who knows at this point, but be sure to drop a like and I'll keep you updated if you subscribe. See you until next time.